Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 24th July 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened gap down but recovered considerable ground starting 10 a.m. as it traded with a positive bias. The index still closed in the red, however, as it fell by 0.43% or 102.15 points to end the day at 23,767.45. The recovery from lows seen today was mostly due to value buying at lower levels, rupee recovery and correction in crude prices. The sectors ended mixed with the auto index witnessing the biggest correction, while media and IT posted the biggest gains. Volatility for the index rose slightly. Levels for Nifty need to be readjusted, and supports may now be placed at 23,700, followed by 23,600, while resistances may be placed at 23,795, followed by 23,895. For Monday, since Nifty closed below a major support level, the selling momentum may be carried over, leading the index lower, especially if crude prices rise further and remain elevated. Gains in semiconductor-heavy Asian indices may also affect Nifty negatively. However, if crude prices correct significantly over the weekend, a sizable recovery may be witnessed. For updated levels and expectations, do check out our pre-market report video on Monday morning. Nifty may become more bullish above 24,215, while a break below 23,520 could lead the index lower. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex traded in lockstep with Nifty as the BSE index too fell by 0.43% or approximately 332 points to close at approximately 76,060. Levels for Sensex need to be adjusted downwards, with supports now being at 76,080, followed by 75,800, while resistances may be placed at 76,380, followed by 76,630. The BSE index may witness positive momentum if 77,745 is breached on the upside, while a break below 75,800 could make the index bearish. Now we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil prices have been trading with a negative bias since today morning as it corrects slightly after the recent spike. Concerns over supply still persist as escalations continue in the Middle East, with both routes out of the region towards Asia have been throttled. Volatility for the commodity has risen even higher. Levels for crude oil may be kept the same, with supports remaining at 8,640, followed by 8,495, while resistances may remain at 8,810, followed by 8,960. For today, crude oil prices may be expected to stay range-bound with a slight negative bias to account for some profit booking before the weekend, but a reversal may not be ruled out. With the Red Sea as well as the Strait of Hormuz both being blockaded as a result of the West Asia conflict, the prices may be expected to remain elevated unless there are new updates from the region. With Iran rejecting US's latest proposal, a buy-the-dip approach near supports with strict stop losses may work out. Crude oil is currently bullish, and bearish momentum may only be observed if 7,885 is breached on the downside. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. HCLTech has partnered with Sarvam to establish India's first AI data center in Odisha, with a planned investment of around 14,257 crore rupees, including support from the Odisha government. The project is expected to strengthen India's AI infrastructure and accelerate the adoption of advanced AI technologies across industries. Hindustan Zinc reported a stellar Q1 FY27 performance, with net profit more than doubling to 5,469 crore rupees, while revenue surged 72% year-on-year to 13,033 crore rupees. The strong earnings were driven by higher metal prices, improved production, and robust operational performance, boosting investor confidence. Coforge has secured a $230 million AI transformation contract from a European client, marking one of the company's significant deal wins in the AI space. The project will focus on improving decision-making, enhancing productivity, reducing manual processes, and accelerating digital transformation through AI-driven solutions. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinar will be conducted on Saturday. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Nifty and Bank Nifty, opening range breakout strategy with multi-time frame analysis for consistent trading. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.